in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Beauty Forever. Today's unit is a honey blonde highlighted unit in the color 412, and it's a jerry curly texture. Online, this is how the unit is being portrayed, and then in person, this is how the unit is looking. I would definitely say that I received what is being portrayed. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front, 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps. This unit is offered in multiple lace styles and also densities. It comes in a 13 by 5 T-part, which then comes in 150% density, a 13 by 4 lace, which is 150% density, but they also offer that one in 180% density, and then a 6 by 4.75 pre-cut lace style, which is offered in 150% density. If I'm thinking correctly, I received the 13 by 4 with the 150% density, but I could be wrong. Just make sure to check down in the description box below because it'll have all of the information for you. This unit is offered in multiple different lengths of 16 all the way down to 28 inches. I received the 24 inch. On the website, it's saying that the cap size for this unit is your average 22 to 22.5 inches. So we are going to hope, pray, and wish and cross our fingers that this unit fits my head comfortably. I feel like it will, but just be on the safe side. It also says that this unit is supposed to come pre-plucked with a natural hairline, gorgeous color. You can wear it glueless if you choose to do so, and it has baby hairs around the edges. I can instantly agree and say that the coloring is gorgeous. It looks like they did a really good job with coloring this unit. As far as the pre-pluckedness goes though, I will say that it looks like it has been pre-plucked, but it does look like it might need to be plucked just a little bit more. When it comes to the knots on this unit, I noticed that they hadn't been bleached at all, so I did go in with my Ion 40 volume developer and then my BW2 bleaching powder, and I want to say I left it on for about 30 to 40 minutes. I probably could have left it on for about 5 to 10 more minutes longer, just because I do see a few like dots that didn't get touched all the way, but it looks good. It looks much better than what it was looking. But yeah, those are all of the specs that I want to go over right now. So let's go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Beauty Forever. At this point in my life, it's really hard for me to say anything negative about a curly unit because lately they have just really been doing it for me. I think that what it is that even though it's really hot outside, the volume and the curl patterns just give me vacation, which is something I really need to take. But anywho, let's go ahead and really talk about this unit, and I want to first start off about the cap sizing. Earlier, I was a little bit nervous, kind of thinking that the unit might not fit completely, seeing as how on the website it says that it's a 22 to 22.5 inch circumference, and I'm pretty sure I have a 23 circumference head, so therefore I'm just like, is it going to feel tight? Is it going to feel uncomfortable? To my surprise, it's fitting perfectly. It's not squeezing. The unit was able to cover my edges for the most part, not my sideburns completely, but I did go ahead and just create some sideburns to like make up for that. But the fact that it's covering my edges means a lot to me. I didn't show this on camera, but I did go ahead and adjust the adjustable straps before even putting the unit on. I want to say I put them on the second loop inwards, yeah, to make it a little bit tighter. Like I said, even before I even put it on, just to see how it was gonna fit. And to my surprise, again, it's fitting very comfortably. So I would definitely say that this unit is big head friendly. Something else the website had mentioned is that the unit had been pre-plugged, and I said earlier that it did look like it had been pre-plugged, but I figured I'd have to go back in and pluck it a little bit more. I began to pluck the top, and I feel like I did a pretty decent job. Could I possibly pluck more? I'm gonna say no, because I am somebody who doesn't like an overly plucked hairline, because my natural hairline isn't, well, I don't pluck my natural hairline, but it's not like my natural hairline is dense. That's what I'm trying to say. So therefore, I don't really like overly plucked hairlines when it comes to wigs. I feel like I plucked it just enough. I didn't pluck it on the sides, and I'm glad I didn't, because to my surprise, it actually looks really nice. I think what it is that this unit is a brown unit, so therefore it's really close to my skin complexion. So I don't know, for me, brown units, it's always hard for me to decide or determine whether I need to pluck more or not pluck at all. Like I said, I feel like I did just enough on this unit, and I didn't even touch the sides, and it looks really good. But I don't know, you guys let me know your thoughts or opinions, or give me some suggestions whenever it comes to units that come really close to your skin complexion. Like, how do you know if you need to pluck more or pluck less? Like, the hairline doesn't look very dense or anything like that. Like, it just, well, like I said, it looks really good. Now, the website mentioned that there were baby hairs around the hairline, and I want you guys to know that they're there for sure, but they are faint. For me, this works out in my favor, because I am someone who likes the like faint, wispy, you know, here and there type of baby hairs. Now, when it comes to tangling, I'm not really getting any tangles thus far, but because it is curly hair, I am expecting it to like frizz up at some point during the day. Now, as far as shedding is concerned, I'm not really getting any shedding thus far, but I'm also not pulling the hair or brushing through the hair or anything like that. When I washed the unit, I did use my dimming brush, and of course I got some shedding during that process, but it wasn't anything like serious or like over dramatic or anything like that. And then also, whenever I plucked a little bit that I did pluck in the front, I used my comb to comb the excess hair out, and so obviously that's shedding because I just plucked it from the lace. But again, I'm not just getting any just random shedding right now. Earlier I spoke about how I believe I have the 150% density unit, and if this is 150% density, she feels really nice. She feels full yet breathable at the same time, especially for this hotter weather that's going on right now. I just feel like for the 180% density, at least for this time of the year, it might be a little bit too much. I mentioned earlier that I got the 13x4 frontal unit, but to me it's almost kind of giving compact 13x4, meaning you're going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. But that 4 inches is primarily in the middle, and on the sides I want to say you get about 2 inches of parting space. For this to be a brown slash blonde processed human hair unit, you would think that the unit would feel like very dry and brittle almost, but actually no. To my surprise, she's very soft. She was soft coming out of the package, and she got even softer after I washed her. And just for reference, the shampoo and conditioner that I use is the Tresemme, I'll pop it up here on the screen. Originally, I was going to try to create a style with this unit, you know, maybe a half up, half down, maybe 2 little space buns, maybe a bun or a half up, half down with like some braid or something like that going through it. I don't know. But then I put her on, and I just put her in the middle part, and y'all know, if you're not new here, then you know how I feel about middle parts. They either hit or miss on me. Most of the time they are a miss for me personally. But I put this unit on in the middle part, and I was just like, oh, she's so pretty. Like, they done messed around and gave me a Beyonce wig. Like, But no, in all seriousness, I was even thinking about cutting some layers into this unit, but then I did the flip over method, and I was just like, Yeah, I'm not touching her. She's perfect as is. But yeah, if you can't tell, I'm really feeling this unit. So thank you so much to Beauty Forever for sending this unit over. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave. And also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at tandotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I'll see you guys in the next ones. Bye.